Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this question we are given the limit as h goes to 0 of the ratio of the two expressions, and we need to find that limit. So let's look at this limit, and first it seems like this is the derivative of some function. And it is indeed a derivative of some function which is defined at a particular point. But let's try to just plug in h equals 0 into this expression. And so we have limit as h goes to 0 of 8 1/2 plus h to the power 8 minus 8 of 1/2 to the power 8 divided by h. Plugging in h equals 0 gives us in the denominator 0, and in the numerator 8 to the power 1 times 1/2 plus 0 to the power 8 minus 8 times 1/2 to the power 8, which is also 0. So this is 0 over 0 ratio. And maybe not very conventional way of solving this would be to just apply L'Hopital's rule, right? L'Hopital's rule applies here. And what does it say? It says that if we have the ratio, limit of the ratio of the two functions, let's say x equals to a, of the ratio of the two functions f of x over g of x, and this ratio, when we plug in x equals a to the function, is equal to 0 over 0, then this limit is equal to the same as limit as x goes to a of the ratio of the derivatives of the two functions, f prime of x over g prime of x. And so applying it here in our case gives us that the limit as h goes to 0 of this ratio that we have, h 8 1/2 plus h to the power 8 minus 8 1/2 to the 8th power. This is equal to, and equal to limit as h goes to 0. In the denominator, we have 1, because the derivative of h with respect to h is just 1. In the numerator, we have the first expression is 8 times 8 1/2 plus h to the power 7 times the derivative of 1/2 plus h, which is just 1, minus 0, because the second expression is a constant as it relates to h, which is equal to, and now we can try to plug in h equals 0 into this expression. This is equal to 8 times 8 times 1/2 plus 0 to the 7th power minus 0 divided by 1, which is 8 times 8 is 64, times 1/2 to the 7th power, 1/2 to the 7th power. And this is equal to 64 over 128. And they're both divisible by 64, and this is 1 over 2. So the answer to this question is 1 over 2. The answer is B. And so note here that we did apply L'Hopital's rule instead of trying to figure out of which function is this, the limit and the derivative and the slope of that function. And the L'Hopital's rule worked very nicely for us here. So sometimes it's even in the unconventional ways to apply it might help us to solve the problem easier than otherwise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and also write me your comment in the space below, and subscribe to my channel where you can find more solutions to the Calculus AB and Calculus BC problems. And I will see you in the next video.